throughout my life, so I wanted to see what it was all about. But anyways, I decided to read a little bit this evening after the news of Al-Shifa, and I was just kind of drawn to this tonight. And I'm not very far into it, but I came across a verse that really spoke to my soul after what's going on. So it's Surah 2, verses 81 and 82. But no, those who commit evil and are engrossed in sin will be the residents of the fire. They will be there forever. And those who believe and do good will be the residents of paradise. They will be there forever. I know.